Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Arhad Ahmed, student of Russia University, Department of Banking and Insurance. In this video, I will show you how we can compute the present value of a bond. That means a fair price of a bond in the present time. So let's start. So let's assume this is an example of computing the present value of a bond. Here we can see that the maturity value of a bond after 20 years later is 2000, and the coupon interest rate is 14% and required to return is 12%. So from this information, we have to calculate what is the present value of bond. So to compute this, the present value of bond, I have to use a formula. First of all, I have to put a sign of equal. Then since it's a problem of finding the present value of a bond, so I have to use the formula of present value. So first of all, we have to add a formula. This is called PV. That means present value, and double click on PV formula. So here we can see that there is a rate, there is a sequence that is rate and rate, then number of period, payment, future value, and type. So first of all, I have to put the rate of interest. Here you can see that the rate of interest, the required to return is 12%. So first of all, I have to add the 12%, that means interest rate. Okay. Then comma, then number of period. Here we can say that the number of period is 20 years. The bond will be matured after 20 years later. So the NIP period is 20. So click on 20 years. Okay, then put comma. Then it's a payment. So payment will be the multiply of maturity value of a bond and the coupon interest rate. So when we multiply both, that means the maturity value of bond is multiplied by coupon rate interest, then we will find the payment. Every year payment will be this. So the maturity value of bond is 2000, and it is multiplied by the coupon interest rate, and this is the sum of payment. Then future value. The future value means the maturity value of a bond a certain period of time, or the after 20 years later, the value of bond will be 2000. So the future value is 2000. Then I have to put the 2000. Okay. Then type, we know that it's computing the at the end of the period, so I will put 0. Now I am closing my formula, and to close my formula I have to use last bracket. Okay, and now if I click on the enter button, I will get the result. Okay, that means $2,298. So if a person purchase a bond which value is $2,298 at 12% interest rate and coupon is 14%, then the maturity value will be 2000. So that's all for today. See you again. Thank you.